Our product highlight today is a great brush and all the tools you need to get your painting project started and how to do it the easy and the best way. I'm going to show you putting on paint with our brush, how you're going to get quick and easy coverage. And I'm going to show you a couple of examples. By using this brush, I'm using the color Capri. I'm going to show you how to brush on the paint. And you can stipple that surface. That's going to help remove the brush strokes. You can also use our roller. And I prefer on a flat surface like this to use this little small roller. It's going to let you just remove those really quick. Even this first coat's going to start looking beautiful. A lot of people dip their paint one time and they go in here and they just keep on going and they thin and thin and thin and thin the paint. And they get down here and they say, I can't get any coverage. I just can't. It's taken me 5 or 6 coats. You thin the paint so much there's nothing there. So you have to leave on an adequate amount of paint on the surface, in other words, to give it coverage. Also, painting with the tool trio is a great way to get on our first coat like we did here with a brush. Use the tree applicator just by turning it up onto the surface. That's going to load up your brush really easy for you, your tree applicator. You can put that first coat on using that tool. That's going to give you a nice first coat only now. This is not going to look beautiful. It's going to be your ugly coat. We'll put that on. Helps you go right around the door edges. You're going to go over that and just kind of light stipple that, then allow it to dry, and you're ready then for your next coat. It's always a great reminder, especially if you're painting, if you're building a house, if you're working on a car, then you have to have the proper tools. And this tool trio gives you just what you need to paint literally any surface in your home, from leathers, vinyls. You want to paint your car seat, you want to paint cabinets, you want to paint your vanity, your front door. You'll have every tool that you need. Get the great Syntec brush, 2 of these, and also this small roller. Everything you need, then you can accomplish. The original all-in-one paint, often imitated but never duplicated. Why settle for less? Follow us here for more DIY inspiration and tutorials.